years. We're back in Venice, Italy. But right now we are in a month where it's raining and flooding. So it's high tide all the time over here, as you can see over there. So we are required to buy one of these things to protect our feet and shoes and all of that. So it's what we're gonna do.
What are those?
Alright, so I guess we're strapped. Wow, this is crazy. I have never seen Venice this crazy in my life. Look at this. Holy crap, it's weird. Dang. This is how we do it. Let's not let this situation ruin our trip. So right now we're headed to San Marco Square because we have a tour a little bit. So we have an activity and that's where we're headed. And okay lang yan mga chong, mga cheng. Tara, another one. Oh, this is wild.
I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at alone. I don't understand why.
This month is definitely not as glamorous as one would think. But we are here. I don't know why, but let's do this, I guess. Oh, this looks so sketchy going to San Marco. We're gonna get mobbed here. Don't tell. Okay, so this is the situation here in San Marco Square. Flood. Oh well. After an hour or so walking, finally we found some place where we can recharge while we wait for the tide to go down, because apparently all over Venice it's high tide. Of course, usually pag umaga, di ba, high tide talaga yan. In the afternoon it goes down, so we're gonna wait maybe an hour or two just for it to go down. Pag mamaya, we can remove our protective shoe and then we can walk around freely, and then para we can enjoy the rest of the day. So stay tuned. Feeding time. So this is the first moment nang dumating kami dito ng pamilya ko. We were dropped off here from the train station and we took the water bus. No, shuttle. I don't know what that's called. But yeah, after 8 years we're back. I'm back. Sun, sky's blue. And we are now on this gondola ride, tour, whatever. I'm just waiting for this guy to sing. Yeah, that's the thing.